Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to get 2.5 Litecoin from this free Litecoin mining site. I'm going to be showing you in this video. So if this interests you, stay with me to the end of this video so you don't miss out on any updates I'm going to be dropping, and don't skip any part because every part is holding a vital information for you to be able to earn free Litecoin from this site. I have placed the link of this website in the description of this video. Once you click on that link, it will bring you right here. So all you have to do now is to click on sign up above here. Once you click on sign up, you enter your username, your email address, your password, confirm your password, then you click on sign up. So this is the dashboard of the website we are going to be using. Immediately you sign up, you're going to be given 1000 GHS to power up your mining machine for you to be able to mine free Litecoin on this site. So after signing up, all you have to do now is to click on this 3/ above here, then you click on mining. After clicking on mining, you scroll down, then select the cryptocurrency that you want to be mining from this site. You can mine Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Tron cryptocurrency, and other cryptocurrencies you can see on this site. So our main focus now is Litecoin. You scroll down and locate Litecoin. So to start mining Litecoin, all you have to do is to click on this plus sign here. Once you click on the plus sign, it's going to be increasing. You can increase it to 100% capacity for it to mine faster. As you can see right now, the Litecoin is mining automatically as you sign up for free on this site. You can be able to mine up to 10 coin on this site at once, but I will advise you mine only one so that you can be able to reach the minimum withdrawal very fast so that you can withdraw into your wallet. But in case you want to mine more than one cryptocurrency, you reduce the percentage of this one here, then you move to the next one, then you increase it a bit, then you can still move to another one, increase it. You just have to maximize the 100% capacity you've been given for free as you sign up on this site. But what I advise, remember what I advise, you should mine only one coin so that you can be able to reach the minimum withdrawal amount very fast for you to be able to withdraw. So now the 2.5 Litecoin I said you can be able to get from this site every single day can only be done by you investing something on this site. You can get it for free, but it's going to take time. But for you to get it very fast, you have to deposit something into the site for your miner to start mining very fast. So to do that, you have to calculate the profit you're going to be getting when you deposit on this site. And for you to do that, you can see the calculator that is beside the cryptocurrencies on this site. All the cryptocurrency have their calculator. So we are interested in Litecoin. So you click on the calculator that is beside the Litecoin. So once it opens up for you, you now input the Litecoin that you want to deposit so that you can see the amount of profit you're going to be getting. So let's input 0.1 Litecoin. So once you deposit 0.1 Litecoin, in one day, you'll be getting 0.001 Litecoin. And in 10 days, you'll be getting 0.01 Litecoin. And in 100 days, you'll be getting 0.01 Litecoin. And in 150 days, you'll be getting 0.15 Litecoin. And in 1 year, you'll be getting 0.365 Litecoin. So let's say you want to deposit 1 Litecoin. In 1 day, you'll be getting 0.01 Litecoin. In 10 days, you'll be getting 0.1 Litecoin. In 100 days, you'll be getting 1 Litecoin. And in 250 days, you'll be getting 2.5 Litecoin. And in 1 year, you'll be getting 3.65 Litecoin. So if you want to deposit 10 Litecoin on this site, you input it here. Then in 1 day, you're going to be getting 0.14 Litecoin. In 10 days, you'll be getting 1.4 Litecoin. In 100 days, you'll be getting 14 Litecoin. In 150 days, you'll be getting 21 Litecoin. And in 1 year, you'll be getting 51.1 Litecoin. So let's say you want to deposit 100 Litecoin on this side, guys. You input the 100 Litecoin here, then you change it to 1 day. In 1 day, you'll be getting 2.6 Litecoin. In 10 days, you'll be getting 26 Litecoin. In 100 days, you'll be getting 260 Litecoin. And in 365 days, which is 1 year, you'll be getting 949 Litecoin in profit. So this is how you can be able to calculate the profit you're going to be getting on any coin that you want to deposit on. So now to deposit and start mining on this site, you scroll up, click on this 3 slash on the right hand corner of your screen, then you click on deposit. Immediately you'll be taken to the deposit dashboard. You scroll down, then you select the coin that you want to use to deposit. You can use either Bitcoin, Litecoin, Tron, Dogecoin, Dash, Bitcoin Cash, Stellar, Zcash, Ripple, Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, Polygon, Cardano BEP20, Binance Coin, and any other coin you want to use in making your deposits. So whichever coin you choose, you just click on generate address. So note that you can deposit any cryptocurrency here and you can use it to mine any coin of your choice. Any coin you deposit is fine, but you can use it to mine any cryptocurrency of your choice. All you have to do is to click on generate. So let's say you want to use USDT to make the deposit. You click on generate address. Alright, after that you scroll down to that USDT side again, then you will see that an address has been provided for you to make your deposit. All you have to do now is to click on this button to copy the wallet address, then you head on to your wallet and transfer the amount of USDT you want to deposit on this site. After you transfer that USDT, is going to reflect in your dashboard. So all you have to do now is to go back to mining, then you increase the mining capacity of the coin that you want to be mining from this site. So it's that simple. If you want to mine Litecoin, you take it to 100%. So let's reduce those other coins that we're mining before. So let's reduce TRX. Let's reduce it so we can concentrate on Litecoin only. So now we'll take Litecoin to 100% to maximize the 100% capacity that has been given to us. You can see now it's mining faster than before. So this is how you can be able to get 2.5 Litecoin every single day from this site. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon and select all in order to get notified by YouTube whenever I drop another update in this channel, and you will be the first person to watch it. So see you all in my next video. Stay safe and God bless.